Yeah, guys, I'm here at the Outlet Mall here in Pattaya. So, gonna walk around here, see what they have. Okay. So if you're ever in Pattaya, Thailand, check this spot out. They have all kinds of sunglasses. Maybe I should get me a new pair of shades. Check that out. So, just checking out. These look like female glasses. Do you have any men? So just checking out what they have. I've never been here before in this particular outlet mall. So this is my first time here checking it out along with you guys. So I'm bringing you right along with me to check it out, walk through the experience, and see what they have. It looks pretty small, you know. I'm not sure all the stores, like I said. I just came in to check it out. So I think it's a lot of just Thailand brands here. I see like Playboy, but none of the brands I'm really familiar with other than this Playboy brand. The Beverly Hills Polo Club. But I think this is the so yeah, this is Polo Club. So a lot of these are so I'm not sure if I don't really see nothing, and really I'm gonna have to see yeah.
Люся, давай, Люся, дай мне мою
I get
Ты будешь полотенце брать?
one of these. Okay, they got Timberland. Let's check out Timberland. Check out the Timberland store and see what we can find. It's so hot here. It's really no need for like the Timberland boots that you would typically wear in New York or Chicago, or you know, where there's snow. And considering it's just so hot here, but maybe like some tracking shoes would be good, or even some of these sandals, you know, would be good for the beach. So yeah, I mean, it's an outlet mall, so you get everything. It's pretty much like 60% off, you know, a lot of good deals. But I just want to kind of just walk you guys through as much as I can before actually making a purchase. So yeah, as the deeper I get into the store, I start to see more different brands here. I just wanted to also just make you guys aware of a resource that you can use if you were to ever come to this area. There's nothing like having unlimited amount of resources and choices that you can use to make your living or visiting experience better. You know what I'm saying? So again, they got more Sunglasses here. But these got Marco Polo. But it seemed like, you know, just like most places, it's mainly catered to more female. Yeah, it's okay. I mean, females do a lot of shopping, and you know, most of the times guys shop to look good for females, and females look good to shop for men. So it works out, but they just tend to spend a lot more, you know, bras and a lot of things. So yeah, I just wanted to really show you guys a lot of the options here, because a lot of times, you know, if you don't know, then you know how can you take advantage of something. So knowing is half the battle, and that's why I'm just sharing the information, sharing the location. So hopefully that can help someone. There's a downstairs to this place also, but I'm just gonna keep walking. Like I said, it's my first time here, checking it out. So you guys are seeing it for the first time like I am. Dash. So I hear about a lot of these trends here in Thailand at this Dash brand. It's very popular here in Thailand. Got a lot of it. Superheroes, Batman, Superman, like the Marvel comics. That's cool. Kappa, Celeb. So we're at this sports store right now. We got a lot of the gargles, which can come in healthy, especially when you're swimming in the swimming pool a lot. The gargles can become very helpful to protect your eyes from the chlorine. So I was gonna think about get a pair of those, but let me see what they got over here. I see the Adidas, got the Adidas sign, so I follow my track stars, you know, for those that run that track.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good.
You good? What's your name?
My name is Boat.
Bud?
Yes.
So when you guys come to the Pattaya Outlet Mall, ask for Bud?
Yes.
Yes. All right, Bud. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Have a good day. Yeah, man. Nice shopping experience. Kind people. Yeah, that's Thailand. So let's just see what these, how much these are. Check out some of these prices. So I think this is like, I don't know if I'm reading this right. 700 baht? No, that's not right.
No? It's 7,000 baht.
7,000 baht, yeah.
We have a
70%, yeah.
70% off.
70% off,
Yes.
okay.
Okay, it's on
Yeah.
7,000 is 2,100.
2,100 baht.
Yes.
Yeah.
Today is the last day promotion.
Today is the last day promotion.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so you can find a lot of good deals here. 2,000 baht for a pair of Adidas. Not bad. I mean, it's, you know, like 60 bucks. A little bit over that. Or a little under. Yeah, like 55, 60 bucks. You know, because like a baht is like $27. 1,000 baht is like 27. So times two is like $54 for a pair of sneakers. I mean, you know, it's not bad. So these are some of the options that you would have coming into this store, or coming into this outlet mall here in Pattaya. I hope you guys find this helpful. If you're new to the channel, please like, share, and subscribe. I keep rocking my you may see the Cambodia shirt or the Thailand shirt. Every t-shirt that I wear in the video, I designed it. So there's a link in the description where you can actually purchase all of these different t-shirts from all the different countries that I visited. So I mean, it's over 40 different t-shirt designs, but it's all from different places from around the world. Like I said, I'm an artist and designer, and I design these different t-shirts from all the different countries and cities that I experience all around the world. So yeah, I hope you guys can appreciate that, and yeah, pick up a t-shirt, support the channel. All right, peace, love, and everything. All right, y'all, talk to you later till the next one. Peace.